Press start.
Hello, I'm Shadow. We will learn about financing in business. Financing is the process of providing funds for business activities, making purchases, or investing. Financial institutions, such as banks, are in the business of providing capital to businesses, consumers, and investors to help them achieve their goals. It includes two types of financing: debt financing, and equity financing. Let's find out about debt financing. Debt financing occurs when a firm raises money for working capital or capital expenditures by selling debt instruments to individuals and/or institutional investors. In return for lending the money, the individuals or institutions become creditors and receive a promise that the principal and interest on the debt will be repaid. For example, the most common type of debt financing is a bank loan. The lending institution's application rules and interest rates must be researched by the borrower. It is therefore tending to be quite cheaper and comes with tax breaks. If large debt of burdening achieves, they can lead to default and credit risk. On the other hand, the equity financing is the process of raising capital through the sale of shares. Every companies must raise money because they might have a short-term need to pay bills, or they might have a long-term goal and require funds to invest in their growth. By selling shares, they sell ownership in their company in return for cash, like stock financing. For example, an entrepreneur who invests $300,000 in the startup of a company will initially own all of the shares of the company at the rate 20%. This can value the firm at $1.5 million. If the business does not work properly, the investor won't do anything. The biggest advantage is that you do not have to pay back the money. If your business enters bankruptcy, your investor or investors are not creditors. The problem we face is, the riskier the investment, the more of a stake the investor will want. You might have to give up 50% or more of your company, and unless you later construct a deal to buy the investor's stake, that partner will take 50% or less of your profits indefinitely. That's how the two types of financing works that we have discussed. Like, comment, and subscribe now.